Hello and g'day. Today's video is a mini junk journal flip through. I've made this mini journal out of a vintage matchbox. If you'd like me to make a tutorial on how I made this little junk journal so you can give it a try, just let me know. Leave a comment below. I'll make another one, and while I'm making it, I'll do a video so you can give it a try as well. My friend gave me a pile of these little, very old matchboxes. Now, they're not the paper ones. These are made from plywood. So they're actually timber. They're actually made of wood. There was quite a few of them, and a lot of them didn't have any insides to them. So they were, just like this. I have got a lot that have got the insides to them, but I'd like to keep them in my collection. So all the broken ones, I thought what these would make a perfect journal. So this is what I made by just cutting them open like this and then gluing them onto a firm piece of craft card and so I've got a hinge there, and they're no longer fragile like they are on here, and the book lays totally flat. I've stitched in each signature. So there's 3, 6, 7 signatures. It measures 1.5 inches by 2. If you'd like to know how I made this little matchbox junk journal, just let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to put one together and show you how I made it. In the meantime, just sit back and watch the slideshow. I'm Donna. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.